There was Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and even Melania Trump. But a comedian is now in the spotlight and in the line of fire for trying to make a joke that didn't quite land.
I don't know if you guys know this, but there's literally a floating island of garbage in the middle of the ocean right now. Yeah, I think it's called Puerto Rico.
He was supposed to be the warm-up act at Madison Square Garden ahead of Trump's big rally in Manhattan. But comic Tony Hinchcliffe has probably got spoken of a lot more than Donald Trump himself after the rally because of what he said.
It's wild. And these Latinos, they love making babies too. Just know that. They do. They do. There's no pulling out. They don't do that. They come inside, just like they did to our country.
Democrats, Latino groups were quick to condemn the comments as disgusting and racist. Even some Republicans like Senator Rick Scott from Florida, which has a number of voters of Puerto Rican origin, criticized the comic's attempt at humor. Celebrities of Puerto Rican heritage were vocal in their condemnation.
You helped build this country too, like many other people in this country, from black people and everybody else that really participated, and then to be smacked in the face like that with type of comment, like, and we're the most loving and peaceful people on this planet, and then to call us garbage. You go to Puerto Rico, you're gonna see how beautiful everything is, down to the people, to the mountains, everything's beautiful, food, culture. So I really don't understand where this comes from. It just sounds like hate, or try to propaganda, try to stir people up.
Es una barbaridad, ¿verdad? Es inaceptable. Nosotros los latinoamericanos nos sentimos muy ofendidos.
Él mira al inmigrante como el virus que hay que extirpar, pero se le olvida que el 90% de los trabajos que los americanos no hacen, lo hacen los latinos, lo hacen los inmigrantes. Me gustaría ver qué pasaría América sin inmigrantes.
Sí, yo pienso que podría afectar completamente, ¿verdad? Ese voto, ya que desde, por ejemplo, desde María, Donald Trump pues tuvo una actitud que fue bastante insultante para nosotros los puertorriqueños, y este comentario solamente reafirma esa conducta, así que pienso que completamente va a afectar ese comentario.
Will this impact voting that's already underway in the US? Is the question both campaigns will be weighing. The Trump campaign has rarely issued clarifications or statements in the past, but it has distanced itself from the comic statement, saying it doesn't reflect the views of the campaign. Trump's running mate J.D. Vance said it was time Americans stopped getting offended at every little thing. The outrage comes at a time the US is in the crucial final leg of campaigning ahead of the November 5 elections. Latinos make up a sizable chunk of voters in many swing states like Pennsylvania. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the like button and follow for more news updates.